Hihihi.
Okay, back with us, Prat. So,
Yo.
how's your week, guys?
Smooth.
Very good week.
Good?
Yes. Very good.
Yes, very good.
Very happy.
But-
Yes.
But we was doing UTS-an.
Yeah,
Hari,
Yes.
you know lah.
Yes.
But we got through test, man. Test is bad.
Bad, but we gotta go through it, you know.
Yes, we have
Yes.
to graduate in 4 years, right, man? Not more. Better
Yes.
less.
Yes.
Okay. So today, what?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So today, Prat, we're gonna do podcast again for business communication. Today, we're gonna talk about stereotypes and cultures. Okay. So before we start, I wanna ask all four of you, what is culture? Okay, starting from Michael.
Yes.
Yeah.
For me, culture is the accurate the knowledge people use to interpret experience and generate behavior.
All right.
How
So,
about you?
to me, culture can be defined as all the ways of life, including arts, beliefs, and institutions of a population that are passed down from generation to generation. Culture has also been called the way of life for an entire society. And that is the definition of culture to me. So, Emma, what is culture?
So for me, culture is like it's the bone, it's the characteristic of certain group of people, like based on their language, religion, music, art, you know, like gamelan music on Java,
Yeah.
like, you know, Bali music, and then many cuisine, many foods and beverage, many type of that based on different cultures.
So it's like tradition, right?
Yes, some kind of like that.
That's passed down from generation to generation, so it goes on until today.
Mhm.
Yes. Okay, Raymond.
Yes.
What is culture?
For me, culture is a strong part of people's life. Yeah. It's part of one of the most important part in people's life. Yes. Do you agree?
Yes.
Do you agree, Anson?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you agree.
Yes.
Because it influenced with a lot of things. Yeah. Their views, their value, their humor, their hopes, and a lot. There is still a lot. So when you are working with people and you build a relationship with them, having a culture really helps it, you know.
Uh,
You know what I mean, right?
how do it help?
They have the same perspective, you know. When you have a culture,
Oh, yes.
they will have the same perspective as you, right?
So
By
it
understanding their culture, yeah, they
No,
have the
so-
same perspective.
it helps us understand their culture better.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we all know the definition of culture, right? So in Pratt, we have two members that are from outside Jakarta. So me and Michael are from Jakarta. So basically, Prasmul is located in Jakarta. So we know the culture here in Jakarta, me and Michael. But
Yes.
Emmanuel and Raymond are from another island. Emmanuel is from Pekanbaru and Raymond is from Semarang. So basically, they are called what is in Indonesia we call it anak rantau. So today I'm gonna ask both of them what are the advantage of anak rantau.
From who,
Starting
Zan? From me.
From Emma. Okay. From Emma.
Okay. So before we go to the advantage and some type of thing like that, we must do, you know, like cerita sedikit in Indonesia, you know,
Yeah, it's
chatting
okay.
what happened from the beginning we enter Prasmul. So like I encountered a few, jokes about Sumatra, Pekanbaru. Like Pekanbaru is viewed as a, not very good city, as in like still a forest for some people.
Oh,
Like, sawit, pohon
village,
sawit
Sawit.
village.
Indonesia, village.
Yeah.
So some Jakarta people like still viewing Pekanbaru as a, village, perkampungan like that. But
Kampungan.
thankfully, thankfully, me as a, cultured people, like I can take jokes. So it's, it's all good. Like we laugh about it. Even Hansen, if I remember correctly, like Hansen did make a few jokes about, you know, about foresting,
Oh,
but lucky for him, I can take jokes and I, sans like okay. So that's my experience. How about your
So-
experience, Mon?
For me, the advantage of becoming anak rantau ya. I have a lot of experience from Semarang and Jakarta and other countries, right?
Countries,
yeah.
Yeah, that's called
Not
anak
count-
rantau, bro.
not countries, bro.
Country man.
You
We
make
still live
jokes,
in
bro.
Indonesia.
We have different city ya.
Yeah.
Like Hansen said, different island ya. Semarang still the same island ya, Hansen ya.
Nah, Semarang same island.
Yeah, same island as I remember, yes.
You're correct. You're
And-
correct.
Correct, right?
Correct.
Correct.
So what do you want to ask?
So, besides getting more experience, what are the other advantage according to you, Raymond?
For me, the most important is experience, bro.
Uh,
I don't see
Oh.
any other things, bro. It's just experience for me, bro. It's the most important thing in
Oh,
life.
like-
Yes.
Like meeting
Okay.
new different people, yeah, Mon, from
Yeah,
different cultures.
Ah.
people, right? I have to study the culture in Jakarta. What
Yeah.
do they do, right?
It's the same
How
thing
do
for
they
me.
speak?
Yes, it
In
helps us.
Semarang, we speak Japanese, right? We speak aku, kowe, like that, right? But in
Mm.
Jakarta, they speak gue lu. Like we don't know what they're saying, right? That's called
Yeah.
learning new experience.
So
Yes.
culture shock. Basically, it's culture shock, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So those are the advantage of being anak rantau. Now I want to ask, what are the challenges of being a student from outside Jakarta? I want to ask starting from Emmanuel again.
Yes.
Okay.
Just like what Raymond said, culture shock. We are forced to learn new culture, new type of language. Like Raymond used to koe, and then he goes to
Mhm.
Prasmul. He started using gue lu, and me too. Like it's a whole different dialect. Like I used to say aku, kau, and some, Minang. But with going to Prasmul, new culture, new friends, new behavior, like I have to adapt. Adaptation is sometimes hard, like being in a new place with a whole new vibe, a whole new world, a whole new language. Like we have to adapt, we have to learn. But learning a new culture is respecting a new culture,
Yeah.
So that's a good thing. So behind, yes,
And even learning new culture and learning new language can sometimes be fun, right?
yeah, man.
Yes.
Sometimes.
Okay, so I want to ask Raymond, what are the challenges of being anak rantau?
Yeah, that's the same, right? I have to adapt with new, the vibe, right?
Oh,
Different city, like they speak different, right?
so basically, you're being a stranger in Jakarta. Right?
Yes.
Everything is new.
Like it's hard for me to connect with other people.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
one of the
When
challenges,
sometimes in
Mon.
Jakarta, yeah, that's one of the challenge. Yes.
Yes.
Miscommunication, Mon.
Yes, miscommunication.
All right,
happens a lot
miscommunication.
in Jakarta.
because the language in Jakarta, in Pekanbaru, and in Semarang is different, right? So people can misunderstand.
So it's one of the challenges to make sure that the message we are sending is appearing, is
Yeah.
being received correctly within the
Yes.
ears. You know?
Okay, I see. Okay, let's move on. So, being a student from another state or from another city, like in Pekanbaru and Semarang, truly we have different cultures, right? So different cultures is connected with stereotype. You know what is stereotype? No. Okay.
I don't know.
Stereotype.
Can you tell us?
Okay, I'm gonna explain what is stereotype. Stereotype is basically a general belief about a particular category of people. So it is an expectation that people might have think about every person of a particular group. So stereotype is also mental beliefs that are over generalized to the group. For example, like women are believed to be weaker than men.
Bad,
And then,
bad, very bad.
Yeah, like that.
Bad.
And then another stereotype is, for example, Japanese people, when they speak slowly, like the voice is too small. And then Chinese people, they are their eyes are small, see. Stereotype.
Chinese people, small eyes,
Yes,
right?
small eyes. And then Pekanbaru, jungle, stereotype.
Oh, stereotype.
Very jungle.
Very bad.
Very bad. Like Manado,
That is
Manado likes to eat.
bad stereotype. Bad stereotype.
Yes. Manado, like, what is Manado, Mike? What is stereotype in Manado?
Oh, what is stereotype?
No, man. I mean, what are the stereotype in Manado? Like, for example,
Manado
like I said
people.
before.
Like in
Yeah, Manado
Pekanbaru
people.
jungle.
Manado people is darah tinggi, you know.
Oh, high blood pressure.
High blood pressure.
High blood.
Yes.
High blood.
Yeah. Temperamental. That's the word.
Temperamental.
Like, many people thought Manado people temperamental.
Oh, have mental issues, yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
No,
man,
different
not mental
mon,
issues,
different
man.
mon.
Oh, not
Different.
mental issues.
Oh, not mental issues, man. So Manado people likes to be angry.
Yes.
Easily to get angry.
Oh,
not
anger
mental issues, man.
issues.
Anger issues. Yes. So we know the meanings of stereotype. And now I want to ask, how do we fight against stereotype? Because we know that stereotype to some people is bad, right? Like maybe to us, we can joke to each other about this stereotype. But to some people, maybe they cannot accept these jokes and they could be
Insulted.
tersinggung, insulted. They could be insulted. Nah, I wanna ask Michael, how do we fight stereotype?
To fight a stereotype is there is 4 points. The first point is we don't just look at the group or individual from one side and ignore the other side, which is completeness in the object and is missed. And then the second point is we must realize that every individual is born with its own uniqueness, so that it does not need to be equated with other individuals.
Okay.
Yes, that 2 points from me.
Okay, Raymond.
Yes.
What are the other 2 points?
I can give you one because that's what I believe most, yeah. The most effective. Like you can teach your son if you have a child, yeah, soon if you get married, you have a son or a daughter, yeah.
I mean,
you can give them the mindset that is stereotype is a bad thing. Don't do stereotype. Just like we teach how our parents teach us not to touch drugs. So we don't do drugs. We teach our child, don't stereotype people. That is very bad. Yeah. When they have the mindset that stereotype is bad thing to do, they won't do it.
So we teach people from they are young. So
Yes.
so they
So they have
could remember.
very good mindset. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay. I agree.
It's called psychology, bro. Like,
okay, man.
like
Psychology.
you know, right? Emma knows the vibe, man.
Yes, man. Psychology is everything.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask Emmanuel, how do we improve anti-stereotype?
Anti-stereotype, like, this is the most important thing. So we gotta have the effort to learn other cultures, not just because we are in a new place, but we gotta respect the new cultures by learning them and appreciate it, like, yeah, that's for me, man.
Okay, so I'm gonna elaborate more from Emma. So from studying other culture, we could also know their culture and respect them for what their culture are, and we cannot judge their culture. That's the first. The second is we can study other language. Like me, I'm from Jakarta. I can study Javanese language or Pekanbaru language, right, Manuel?
Yes.
Pekanbaru
Yes, yes.
Yes, Pekanbaru language. So we can speak more fluent and we can meet the topic. Like if I
Yes.
speak in Jakarta language and Emmanuel speak in Pekanbaru language, we couldn't understand each other.
Yes, Clash of Clans. Aduh.
No, man.
Clash of Clans.
Okay.
That's different.
The third and the most important point is we have to respect other community. Like I'm from Jakarta, I should respect Manuel, which is from Pekanbaru, or I should respect Raymond from Semarang, because after all, we are the same. We are from Indonesia. Pancasila, right, man?
Yes, Pancasila.
Yes, Pancasila.
That is the most important thing.
Yes.
Okay.
So are we, son. Like me and Raymond, we gotta respect you guys from Jakarta,
Yes. So we have to respect each other.
Good.
Okay. So that is all from our podcast today. I'm so sorry we have to end the podcast because my God, it's 11 at night, man. We have to sleep. Tomorrow we have class.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we're gonna see each other in next week's podcast. I'm gonna close this week's podcast. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekday and we have to study better so we can graduate faster. Okay?
Yes. Without stereotyping. Without stereotyping. That's the point.
Okay. Thank you guys for
don't forget, subscribe and like.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Subscribe and like our Instagram and YouTube.
And comment your thoughts. Comment your thoughts. Yes.
If you want to watch other videos we make, just look at our channel, bro.
Okay,
yes,
because Prat was the best, man.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you guys for your participation and your opinions. Thank you guys. Okay, see you next week.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Goodbye, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
See you next week.